Gumroad Tutorial 2024. Unleash your inner entrepreneur, start selling today. Have you ever dreamt of turning your passion into profit? Maybe you're a musician with killer beats, a writer with captivating stories, or a designer with stunning visuals. Whatever your talent, Gumroad can be your gateway to success. This comprehensive guide, updated for 2024, will equip you with everything you need to know to start selling digital products on Gumroad, even with no prior experience. So, buckle up, aspiring entrepreneurs, and get ready to transform your creative pursuits into a thriving business. Number 1. Setting up your Gumroad account. A smooth and effortless entry point. Getting started with Gumroad is designed to be as smooth and effortless as possible. Here's what you need to do. Head to the Gumroad website. Simply navigate to https://gumroad.com/ https://gumroad.com/ in your web browser. Click on Start Selling in the top right corner. This button will initiate the sign-up process. Choose your preferred sign-up method. You can either use your email address and create a password, or connect your existing Facebook or Twitter account for a quicker sign-up. Verify your email address. Gumroad will send a verification email to the address you provided. Click on the link within the email to complete your account setup. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be welcomed into your personalized Gumroad dashboard, ready to embark on your e-commerce journey. Number 2. Understanding the pricing structure. A transparent and budget-friendly model. Gumroad's pricing structure is refreshingly transparent and budget-friendly, making it an attractive option for sellers of all levels, especially those just starting out. Here's a breakdown of the key points. Flat fee of 10% per sale. Gumroad takes a flat fee of 10% from each completed sale on your platform. This means you know exactly what to expect in terms of fees, allowing for easier budgeting and profit calculation. No hidden fees or monthly subscriptions. Unlike some other platforms, Gumroad doesn't charge any hidden fees or require monthly subscriptions. You only pay the 10% commission when you make a sale, keeping your startup costs minimal. This transparent and cost-effective approach makes Gumroad a great platform for testing the waters of online sales without a significant financial commitment. Number 3. Adding your first product. Showcasing your expertise and value. Now comes the exciting part. Adding your first product and sharing your expertise with the world. Here's how to get started. Choose the Products tab from your Gumroad dashboard. This section will be your central hub for managing all your digital products. Click on Add Product. This button will initiate the product creation process. Select the type of digital product you're selling. Gumroad supports a wide range of digital goods, including ebooks, music, software, video tutorials, printables, and more. Choose the category that best fits your offering. Upload your product file. This could be a PDF document, a music file, a software application, or any other relevant digital file format. Set a price for your product. Carefully consider the value you're providing and research similar offerings in the market to determine a competitive and fair price point. Craft a compelling product description. This is your opportunity to showcase your product's value proposition and entice potential buyers. Highlight the key benefits, features, and problem-solving aspects of your offering. By following these steps and investing time in creating a high-quality product and description, you'll be well on your way to attracting customers and generating sales on Gumroad. Stay tuned for the next sections, where we'll delve deeper into customizing your storefront, accepting payments, exploring advanced features, and launching and promoting your products. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights and tips on navigating the exciting world of online business.